Welcome back to the Mouse Mansion channel. Today we are going to make these little jugs from paper. Let's begin. First you will need these printables that you can download for free on our website. You will also need some scissors, colored paint, a little paintbrush, glue, varnish or nail polish, and little pins. Warning: in this tutorial we are using some serious tools. Always use the help of an adult. Alright, now we can start. Cut out the pattern for one little can. This consists of 3 parts. On one side of this part is a little dotted line. That's the line where we are going to glue the 2 sides together. The little pins are really handy to keep it all together until it is dry. Now you can do the same with the smaller part. This is the top of the can. When the 2 parts are nice and dry, you can glue them together. Put some glue on this piece, on the smaller circle of the 2. Now you can put them together. After this dried up, it's time to put a handle on the can. You can choose how long the handle is going to be. I am cutting some off. Glue a little piece on the upside and on the downside and glue it on the can. So, time to give it some color. You can use regular acrylic paint in every color that you like. I am starting with this blue color. And later some orangey yellow for the inner part. Now that's finished and dry, we have to make it look more realistic. We are doing that by making the jug look dirty and a bit rustic with brown paint. You can paint the whole can with really watery brown paint and the edges with some thicker paint. You don't have to be precise, the messier the better. That's how everything in the Mouse Mansion is being made. Doesn't that look more real now? I made some more in different colors and sizes. What do you think? Did you also make one? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any questions, let me know also. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next week.